If you have a medical assistance waiver, either through the Office of Developmental Programs or the Office of Long-Term Living, you have an opportunity to direct your own services or have somebody represent you in directing those services. The person is called the employer of record, and they would take on the responsibility of hiring, training, scheduling, and firing individuals who would provide the care either for yourself through the Office of Long-Term Living or for a family member through the Office of Developmental Programs. In Pennsylvania at the current time, the fiscal management is provided by Public Partnerships, which is an organization based in the Boston area, and their role is to do background checks, to do the payrolls, to withhold taxes, and to collect the clearances for your staff people. They would also pay vendors who might provide services to you. The vendor system would cover things like adapted vehicles or home modifications, or if you have mileage in your plans, the reimbursement of mileage to non-employees would be a vendor service as well. The public partnership organization has been in place since the end of last year, the end of 2012, and there have been some problems with them implementing these services in the state. Through the Office of Developmental Programs, the public partnership replaced another organization statewide. Through the Office of Long-Term Living, the services were replacing local centers for independent living. The transitions did not go very smoothly in either case. The Office of Developmental Programs is still playing catch up to some extent, and the issues through the Office of Long-Term Living are much more extensive. The benefits of being the director of your own services and the employer of your own staff is that you have to choose people who will do what you need them to do for you rather than depending on an agency to make that determination. You have the responsibility of having a backup plan so that if a staff person who is scheduled cannot provide the service at the time that they're scheduled, you have somebody else to call so that you're not left out in the cold, so to speak. The other pieces are liability issues. If somebody is injured while they are working with you, they are covered by workman's compensation, which is provided through PPL as well. If, however, the person who is working for you does something that may cause somebody else an injury or cause you an injury, there could be legal ramifications to that. As a parent who does direct the care for my son, I have secured insurance in the through an umbrella policy connected to our homeowners insurance. Liability insurance is not available to individuals, but this is one way that you can provide some measure of insurance in case anything should occur. The agency model is available to you and can be used in combination with participant-directed for various services. The choice is yours.